Yeah. So for those on YouTube and Facebook, I started with less than $600 in my account on January 1st, 2017, and I've produced 4.5 million in gross profit from less than 600 bucks. My large account has about 800,000 in it right now, and there's eSignal crashing again at the open. It's gross profit. So yeah, stock symbol SNOW. That's the IPO. Yeah, I just sent an email to eSignal again to our rep over there. It's very annoying. And it's also, it's slow to load. I mean, it's been loading for at least 90 seconds right now, and it's still not loaded. I don't know. I mean, it's always been slow to load, but this crashing the last 2 weeks has been really frustrating. And I don't understand really why it's happening now. It didn't happen during kind of the height of craziness where everything else was crashing. So, I don't know. I'm just going to leave this alone for right now. So we've got 4 minutes to the bell. So pre-trading checklist. Did you eat well? Did you sleep well? Do you have a couple stocks on watch that you like? If you do, what's the condition of the overall market? Overall market, it's kind of been choppy the last couple days. So probably have to sit tight for a little bit, wait for that one stock to start to open up and squeeze, and then jump on it quickly and don't let go. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. Maybe it's today, maybe it's not. Maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's Friday. I don't know. But that's what I'm waiting for. And in the meantime, I think when the market is slow, although you can certainly venture out into some large caps, you can see what Mike and the guys are doing over and gals in the large cap room, or you could trade some options. That's all fine. But when small caps are slow, if you have availability to short some shares, you can take some short positions for afternoon fade. When the afternoon, once the morning momentum dies and we sort of start to see the afternoon fade, that could be an opportunity. But at the open, when things are choppy, I think it's hard, long, and short. So I don't have the conviction to be buying these dips. The breakout here over 59, let's see what it does. We know we talked about 59.60 being a breakout spot. So how much is it really going to break out over this pivot? Is it going to hold that level? About 2.5 minutes to the bell. So while this was holding the volume weighted average price right here, I don't know what would have given you the conviction to take this trade, unless you had already taken this one here and this one here and probably lost on those ones. I mean, I just don't know. But you're right, it does have ascending support. So that's right there. So maybe a bounce off ascending support, but gosh, I hope there's something better than Kodak. All right, well, 2 minutes to the bell. We'll see what we get. Hopefully we have a couple nice opportunities here, and if not, there's always tomorrow. So I'll see what we can do today. All right, about 15 seconds to the bell. PLIN would need to break over $1.10. The low down here on the ascending support would probably be a tap of like 20. Halt level going down is 855, going up is 1045. No interest right now. An aggressive entry would be there at 30 with a stop at the low, 15. Since it's churning, I'd probably get out break even. Little surge of buying there. So the dip was kind of strong down to 15. Now the surge is pretty strong here up to 995. Halt levels 1038. A break over 10. High is 1015. Halt levels 70, 1070. Wait for a pullback. Look at that move. Look at how big that is. High all the way up there. Halt levels 70. 38 million shares of volume. So now it's up 71%. Yep, Kodak halted. So, like I said, the aggressive entry down there, I missed it. And sometimes when you're in the mode of being conservative, you'll miss the first couple of stocks that start to open up. It's okay. As long as you're there when the momentum starts to turn, you'll be able to start capitalizing on it. So the next daily level on this, there's no resistance till 1369. But it just came from 915. So it could drop back down easily to 950, 975. So don't chase it. You want to wait for a good quality entry. If on resumption it just continues to surge, and it might, fine. If you're already in, it's a great spot to be taking some profit and then looking for the next entry. So halt was 9:32 and 16 seconds. So 2 minutes in, we got a pullback down to 9. Looks like it was fading, and then right up to 10. So I can tell you that there's definitely people out there, based on the price action of the last few weeks, who are probably shorting it right here, and right here, and right here, right here, and right here. So, if it opens high and keeps going, you're going to get a short squeeze. Even though it would seem irrational that it's up this much, when you're in a market where you're seeing a lot of stocks fading, the first one that really starts to open up can be a pretty nasty rip. It can be pretty big. So we'll see. Pre-market high on this is 1096. If it can break through that level, the next spot I'd be watching would be up towards 12. Waiting. Watch over 11. Wait for that setup. So what's our high right now? 1144. 10.15 is the 9 moving average. Watching down here, we'll see if we bounce off of 10. This is the volume weight average price right down here, so I'm going to take a long at 97. Do a bounce off the volume weight average price for a pop back up to 10.25. Selling at 10.18. One quick trade. Double bottom is at 82. High there was 10.20. I sold 10.17. 10.18 and 10.17, not bad. New order at 10.20. Back in and out from 18 to 28. Just small little trades here. That was a 1 second long trade, a couple $100. 82 is the low. Watch it off of the 80s. High back here was 30. So this is kind of tricky on the 5 minute. Obviously, such a big high volume candle that was red. A drop there from 1144 to 982. It's a good size drop. Back in here, 25. Selling at 32. That was a little consolidation break right there. High is 37. New order will go at 40. I was trying to be like a little sniper today. Just pick off a couple of quick little trades. Watching down in the 80s with smaller size for a bounce off of this bottom. I think it's possible though, if 980 breaks, that we could see a bigger sell-off, so I'd have to be careful on that. I know, not on my scanners. So yeah, I see that popped up and pulled back a little bit. I'm gonna leave that one alone for right now. Yeah, nice daily, Josh, on VVPR, I agree. So high was 37. Not feeling this entry right here. It's a little funny. Watching down here. Dipped down, came back up. High back there was 25. QT Q QRTEB. All right, let's look at that. Okay, I see that. It's only 25,000 shares of volume. I'm not going to be able to trade that at this point. I just wouldn't be able to take the risk. They can be big winners, they can be big losers. I just can't afford the risk. Watch Kodak down here, coming down to this bottom again. Is it going to break 80? Watching. It's breaking. No trade. It did tap the volume weight average price almost to the penny. The volume weight average price is 78. But the 1 minute chart, you know, it's not perfect because it's kind of stair consolidation and starting to stair step down on higher volume here. Nice on MYO. Jason, it's e-signal error. Just choose another stock and then go back and try it again. Yeah, I get it sometimes too. Nice Phil, nice Will, good job. Speed Light is not a broker that I'm aware of, but Light Speed is a broker that I use, and also caps only, please, for stocks. Lightspeed's not great for penny stocks though, because they charge you a per trade commission, per share commission. So if you bought 150,000 shares of a true penny stock, you're going to be much better off trading with TD Ameritrade or E-Trade because they're not going to charge you per share. So if you're trading true penny stocks, 10 cent, 15, 20-cent stocks, which I don't, so I don't know, you know. But, if you did, E-Trade or Ameritrade are better for that. If you're trading stocks under $10, then yeah, Lightspeed is great. So this was the headline of a preliminary non-binding proposal to acquire the company at $5. I don't see this being a great opportunity. Kodak stepping back down. You guys can log into the lounge or the support room if you have specific broker questions. It's a better spot for it. So VXRT, yeah. Daily chart's kind of funny on it. It's not a breakout setup. This one was halted at 9:42. Gosh, I don't know. Right at the ascending support line. Yeah, it could be a dip trade down here, but I don't think it's worth it. I see a 73,000 share buyer on INO at 15. 12 million shares of volume, 70,000 shares at 15, 69, 67, 64, 61. There it goes. Someone mark it out. 50,000 shares. It's a big position. I don't know. Either that or they pulled the order. So you have a big bid, but couldn't hold. It's probably worth a shot.
smell was perfume. All I get with these little squeaky smells coming from far away. Just when you begin really panicky, they let you go. Get a breath.